Everybody's doing SHEIN hauls. SHEIN is about to be the next Fashion Nova, and honestly, I'm not even mad. SHEIN, hit your girl up. Hit your girl up. I've been rocking with y'all since day one. Hit your girl up.
Oh, oh, that shit.
What's up, cousins? Look at me, I got my fro out. I got some stuff. So I made 2 orders. The first order was just 2 items because I was like, I want to buy something. I was so good this whole quarantine, but for whatever reason I just felt like buying something. I got dragged back in and I bought another like 10. So yeah. Alright, back here with a black shirt on. Okay, so let's get it clear. It's not SHEIN, it's not SHEIN, it's SHEIN. And I know it's SHEIN because I remember when SHEIN was SHEINside. Okay, that clears it up. I want to give y'all some details, information, because I know a lot of people are wondering what the shipping is like, especially with the pandemic going on. So for the first order that I made with 2 items, I ordered that on May 18th and it took forever. I don't know why, but it took forever. I ordered it on the 18th and it came yesterday, which was the 6th, June 6th. It was supposed to come on the 3rd, but it came on the 6th, so it almost took 3 weeks. The second order, surprisingly, I ordered on, actually I ordered it and then I realized I forgot to use a coupon, so I canceled it and I ordered it again, and that was on May 21st. Crazily, I got that like on the 30th. So I ordered it on the 21st and it came literally a week and 2 days later. So I'm not sure what happened with the first package. I feel like, I guess it just depends on whatever warehouse they're shipping it from. But yeah, one took 3 weeks, the other one took 1 week. So yeah, let's get into it. This is the first item and it's just this one shoulder tank top. And it's just like a regular like tank top that's ribbed. But it's one shoulder. It doesn't have a tag on it, so you can literally wear it either way. I like it this way. I love the color. I'm trying to go for more like neutral colors. I like colors that complement my skin tone, so yeah. So this is really nice quality actually. It's not too thin, it's not see-through. What size is this? This is most likely a medium. I wear a medium in most things. Sometimes I'll go for a small, sometimes I'll go for a large, but for the most part I wear a medium, so yeah. I'm gonna put the price somewhere here. So this is the second item. I like this a lot. This is just like another cropped, I would say one shoulder, but it's not one shoulder because it has this strap on it. But I really like this little ring detail. I feel like I could, not that I could have sized down, but I don't like how this part is like popping out like that. So I don't know if that has anything to do with sizing down or just the way it was cut. But I like this top a lot. Another like earthy tone. I know I'm not sure of the prices individually, but I know together I got them for $9.90, so literally $10. It's like $5 a piece. It's not like a thick sweater material, it's a thin sweater material, so you can actually like wear this in the summertime and not feel overly hot because it's a thick like knit sweater. But yeah, where am I going with this? To the living room. No, I'm not going to nobody's living room. To the backyard. That's where I'm going. Oh my goodness. Wow. Nah. This is a problem. Listen, I understand quarantine got us eating, got us not working out, got us not exercising. We're not walking around as much. But this is not it. I feel like this is an extra small that I'm squeezing into, and I know I didn't gain that much weight, so I think it's the top. Did I get deodorant on it? Bro, I'm out of breath. I keep forgetting to turn off the fan. I'm sorry. I hope you heard me. But this is too tight. I'm gonna have to return this. Luckily, they have free returns. within 90 days. This is way too tight. This is a medium. This is my size. It's supposed to fit. It feels like an extra small, and it was a struggle to get into. If you get this, I think you might want to size up. It's too tight, and it's not me. I know it's not me. Okay, so I got the same one in white. This one was easier to get into because I put my legs first. It's not as tight as the black one, so I know something is off with the black. It's still kind of tight though. I think I want to size up on this too, but it's, like I said, it's nowhere near as tight as the black one. So what I like about these are that the material is like satin, not satin, but just, it's not cotton, like it's like smooth. It's a material that you could dress up basically. These next 3 tops I got last year in September, and I just never did a haul for them. Procrastination queen. So yeah, this is one of them. I wanted to wear it for work, and I do wear it to work sometimes. I work in like a casual office setting, but what I don't like is how open it is, so I try not to wear it to work anymore. But I like this sweater a lot. It's really chill, comfy. It has like almost balloon type sleeves, and it's just super casual, super cute. So this is another one I got for work. It's just your basic striped blouse. The material on it is like SHEIN material, if you know what that means. Like, you know when you're trying to buy a dressy blouse or like a more formal blouse, but it's not, when you get it, the material is just like not what you were expecting. I don't know how to explain it, but I had a couple tops like this with this material from like Romwe, SHEIN, and it's just kind of weird, but it's not, it's doable. Like, it's nothing crazy. It's a cheap top, you know, so I'm cool with it. Yeah, this is the work clothes. You know, I be skin out outside of work in the summertime, going out places, but in the office I gotta keep it classy, bougie, ratchet. No. This is one more blouse for work. I'm too lazy to button it right now. Another like balloon sleeve type blouse. So this is not what I ordered at all. I literally just ordered a regular button up, white button up kind of satin material, and this is not what I ordered. So I didn't realize that until weeks later when I went to go put on this top, and I'm like, wait, why does it have strings on it? Why does it have a bow on it? What is going on? And then I go back to my order and I see that they sent me the wrong thing, literally, and they weren't gonna say nothing. I had to hit them up and I'm like, this ain't what I ordered. So they just refunded me my money. So basically I got a free top. I could still wear this to like something really formal, you know, church things, but this is not really my cup of tea. I don't like how it looks. It looks frumpy. It makes me look like an old lady. All right guys, we back to the outside clothes, the ratchet clothes, thought wear. This ain't really thought wear because I'm covered, but this is one of them statement pieces that's like, and I really like this top. It's mesh. I love mesh tops. Can't get over mesh tops. I like the graphics on it. I actually wore this to Rolling Loud last year, and if you haven't seen my Rolling Loud vlog, go check it out. It's like a couple of videos before this one. I was actually going for a fit that was like, you know, tight on top, baggy pants on the bottom, but I didn't have any baggy pants, so I just wore it with some skinny jeans. I really like this. This is New York to me. This is like, you know, This screams New York, LA type, you know, but mainly New York, urban New York. So yeah, I seen this on another girl recently and hers was super cropped. I don't know, maybe she just had a really long torso. So that was it for the tops. I didn't really get any bottoms except for these biker shorts that I'm about to show you. SHEIN bottoms look kind of funny to me, but like the baggy stuff, the style that I'm going for, they look like they're not gonna come out how I want, so I just never order. But all I got with these biker shorts, ooh, and you guys know what biker shorts look like. These are actually my first pair of like legit biker shorts. This is my first pair of biker shorts that I would actually wear as pants and like under graphic tees and stuff. I like that they're long. They're not like up here. They're long and stretchy. They have seams that go down right here. And then they're ribbed. I'm sucking in my belly, guys. Quarantine. They're not as thick as the material makes them look. They're actually really thin, but not thin like sheer thin. They're just thin. But they're comfortable. So now I'm gonna show you guys the accessories. I'm gonna start with the reason I got this second order. The only reason I even came back on SHEIN to make another order. Sneakers from SHEIN. Where they do that at? We do that. Listen, bro. Oh my gosh, these look huge. Oh god. Alright, so look. If you guys know India Marie, right? The first thing I saw in that picture was the sneakers. I went straight to the comments. Somebody was like, where you get those sneakers from? And then somebody was like, oh, it looks like it's Guess. And you know what? They thought it was Guess. Not Guess, DKNY. And they thought it was DKNY because there's a DK. It's not DKNY, it's SHEIN. So, bro, check these out. Come on. Come on. I'm here. I'm here for all the chunky. Chunky is the way to go. Even though I have humongous feet, I don't care. I'm still gonna give it a shot. I am here for it. They look so cute. So yeah, they have these buckle details, which was like the thing that drew me to them the most, is the buckles. And I really like the lacing of it. These look like expensive sneakers, bro. Like just the detailing, like everything they did. I don't know if this is supposed to be a knockoff of something, but as far as I know, it's SHEIN. I really love how they knotted the sneakers in the back too. This is really cute to me. So yeah, and they're just that statement sneaker. So you know when you used to buy when your mom used to buy you shoes and she always used to make you get like a size up because your feet were still growing and she wanted like this much space in the sneaker? Yeah, there's no space in these at all for me. I feel like once I break them in, they'll be fine. So yeah, I like these. Now on to the next pair. If you guys know me, you know that I'm extra, and if I find something that I really like, especially when it comes to like sneakers and it's affordable, I'm going to buy 2 or 3 pairs. I bought another pair in this color. This is a really neutral color. It's more wearable. It's like a it looks white on camera right now, but it's like a beige, super light sand color, and the inside is not orange. On the website it looks orange, but this is more like a neon coral, and I don't mind. My original plan was to buy both of them, see which one I liked more, and then return one, and I knew that I was gonna end up keeping both. I really like this one. This one is like one that I could reach for more because of the color, and yeah, I don't think I'm returning it. These are so chunky and extra. I feel like big shoes only look cute on people with small feet, but you only live once, and I'm telling myself that every day. Stop letting stupid little things hold you back from being yourself, showing the world who you are, expressing your creativity, your style. So if you want to wear that shirt, wear that shirt. If you feel like you don't shape nice, it don't matter. You feel like your feet are big, you can't wear those sneakers? Yes, you can. If it comes in your size, you can wear them. I love sneakers, and there was a point in my life where I stopped wearing sneakers like Jordans and Nikes and all of that, and I was only wearing like Converses because my feet were getting really big and I felt like sneakers just looked ugly on me. But ever since I started embracing my feet, I'm like, I don't care no more. Like, okay, there's certain ones that I'm like, alright, no. But for the most part, I'm not holding myself back from cute shit. I never thought there would be a day that I would order sneakers from SHEIN inside, but bro, today was that day. I did it. So we're almost done. I didn't expect, well, I did expect it because, you know, I'd be babbling. I forgot to take my thumbnail, so let me finesse the thumbnail real quick.